How to fix Android Wi-Fi and Bluetooth not working problem. Hello friends, welcome back to How to Fix It YouTube channel. So guys, if your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is not working, then guys watch this video. Okay, I'm going to give you some solution from which you can fix your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth problem. So just stay tuned with the videos and follow up all the process, okay, from which we can definitely solve your issue. So guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest update. So now let's begin the tutorial. So guys, what you have to do is you need to go to your setting, okay, to fix this problem, to fix your Wi-Fi and to fix your Bluetooth. You need to scroll down, go to system management, and then you have to go down, open up backup and reset, go to reset network setting. So you have to reset your network setting. So in network setting, your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is included, okay, with mobile data network. So you have to click on the reset setting, give your phone password, and then guys you have to click again on reset setting on the bottom. So click there and then guys reset it, okay. And guys, if you are unable to find it, reset network setting, then click on the search setting, type here reset, you will get the option. As you can see, reset network setting, you can go from here, okay. Reset your network setting. After that, go to application and permission, go to app manager, and then guys you have to scroll down, you have to find out your Wi-Fi Bluetooth, or instead of manage app, instead of app manager, you may find here manage app or install app or app management. See, okay, so guys, now what you have to do is you have to scroll down, okay. You have to scroll down and you have to find out your Bluetooth, but guys I cannot see my Bluetooth, so we have to click on the three dots and click on the show system. After that, we have to search for Bluetooth. So here, okay, so we have got it. Now tap and open it, and then you have to first of the application, okay, first of the Bluetooth. Okay, this is not Bluetooth, sorry guys for mistaken. So we have to click on the Bluetooth, okay, this one. So you have to go to Bluetooth, okay. So now first of the Bluetooth, and then guys go to internal storage, clear up the data, click OK, and then guys you have to go back. So now you need to find out your Wi-Fi. So to find out your Wi-Fi, you have to scroll down, okay, at the bottom. So guys, as you can see, we have got the Wi-Fi option. So we have to click here, and then guys we need to force stop the application, not the application, we need to force stop the Wi-Fi, and then we need to go to internal storage, clear the data of your Wi-Fi. So here you have some permissions, so go to permissions, allow the permissions, okay. So let's see, okay, you don't need to allow the permission because it's already fixed, okay. So after doing all those things, restart your device and this will solve the issue. And guys, make sure to upgrade your device, okay. If your phone software is not up to date, then you need to update it, okay, otherwise you might face this kind of problem again and again. So you have to update your software, and this is how you can fix the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth problem. I hope this video will be definitely helpful for you. And guys, if you think this video is helpful, then don't forget to give a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.